Hey Nene Squad, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me 2-in-1. I'm going to show you guys my simple foundation routine and also how I do this bun that everybody keeps asking me about on my social medias. So in these clips I was doing the stretch method because I wanted to put my hair up in a bun, and to stretch my hair I just braid my hair down and I just stretch my hair. Then after I'm done taking it down, I'm combing my hair. You guys ignore my hair, like y'all see them white specks? It's because it's gel and this hair needs to be washed, and at this point I'm like, I don't care because it's got to be washed anyway. Before I put any more gel in my hair, I'm going to activate the gel that's already in my hair and just spray the perimeter of my hair and brush my hair, and then I am going to use the Softee protein silk gel, I believe. It'll pop up soon, but yeah, I'm going to use that and put that around my hair, well, the perimeter of my head. After slicking it down with gel, I'm just going to put it in a tight bun. After I'm done putting it in a bun, I'm going to use some edge wax, and I'm just going to put that on the perimeter of my hair. I don't know, this just gives me, like, it makes my hair feel sleek for some reason. But after I'm done doing that, I'm just going to wrap a hair tie around my head. Now we are going to go in with the Hard Candy Primer, and make sure you guys read the description box down below because I will list the products that I am using, so then if you want to use it you can look in the description box. But I'm just going to rub that into my skin, and then after I'm done doing that, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me in the color 335, and I'm going to put it on my face and then blend it with my beauty blender. After blending my foundation, I am going to use the Maybelline Set Loose Powder in the color Medium 02, and I'm just going to set it in my T-zone area and basically everywhere I put the foundation. After that, I'm going to use my CoverGirl powder. I just feel like it just cancels out any paleness that the Set Loose powder has left, and I don't know, it just brings my face just so much life, and it makes my face look so smooth. I love it. Now I'm contouring my face with this foundation, and I'm putting it in the contouring areas, and then I'm just going to blend that out. Next, I'm going to use the e.l.f. bronze kit in the color dark bronze, and I'm just going to bronze my face. Now I'm using Colormates blush. I don't know the color to this. I'll link it down below. Make sure you check the description box for any of the makeup products. But I think it's a little bit too light for me. I don't know. I think I need to go a little darker. But anyways, I'm going in and doing my eyebrows with the Maybelline brow pomade. And yeah, so I'm just showing you guys how I do it because a lot of people ask for an eyebrow tutorial, and I'm just going to show you guys how I do it, so just take notes. Next, I am going to set my face with the e.l.f. setting spray, and then after, I am going to use my highlighter from Monae Boutique, and I'm using highlighter Emma, and you guys, I love this highlighter. Like, it's just so bomb. Like, look at it. Like, the glow is just real. For real, sis. The glow is so real. Oh my gosh. Highlight. Oh my gosh. It's blinding. You haters. Okay? I'm just kidding. Anyways, after I'm done highlighting, I'm using the Tarte mascara, and then I am going to put some gloss on my lips. And I got this gloss from my local beauty store. And then I am going to use Maybelline's lipstick, or is this Rimmel? Anyways, I'll comment that down below. But yeah, I'm mixing these lippies, and I just love this lippy. Like, it's just so bomb. It brings me life. Now I'm going to use one of the lash sets from the Lash Dash collection called Girl Code at nailmonaboutique.net. You guys, shop for my business. Shop. It's affordable and you won't be disappointed. But yeah, so anyways, going to the ponytail, I'm braiding the hair. I'm using braiding hair actually, Kankalon hair to be exact. And I am just going to braid the hair loosely. Don't braid it too tight, because after you're done braiding it, you're just going to pull the hair a little bit to make the braid look bigger. And yeah. So after braiding the braiding hair, I'm just going to take down the hair tie, and then I'm going to wrap the little hair tie that's on the braiding hair and wrap it around my bun. And then after, I'm just going to pull the braiding hair, basically make it into a circle kind of on my head, like wrapping the braiding hair around my head. I don't know if that makes sense. But then I'm going to bobby pin the end of the braiding hair down, and then I'm just going to stretch the braiding hair and bobby pin the hair so the hair won't move. After securing my bun, I'm going to use the edge booster from my local beauty store, and I'm just going to lay my baby hairs. Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to smash on that like button and that subscribe button. Love you guys oh so much. And see you guys till next time. Mwah.
I wanna, baby.